So hello and welcome everyone to this new YouTube video. I'm Ananya Shankar and I welcome you all. So in today's video we'll be discussing about GST and taxation. So the taxation was somewhat rigid before GST and what happened to it after GST. Now goods and services are consumed by the end users. Now some types of taxes that were there before GST were first excise duty. So it was on manufacturing levied by the central government, on production passed on to consumers, that is on types of goods essentials with high prices. Now again, there was a duty, that is customs duty, which was levied on the goods imported to protect domestic industry. Basic and additional duty which was added was you know based on the different rates of costs of businesses. Now comes service tax. In 1994, initially it was put on telephone, insurance, brokerage, and it was provided to consumers at the rates of 12 to 15%. But after that, we come to value added tax, that is VAT. It is state level on sale of goods. Also, it includes central sales tax, which is interstate transaction, and it is imposed on origin state. Then comes entry tax, that is also called octroi, which is levied by state or local government on goods transiting or entering different territories. Due to this, manufacturers and suppliers deal with increased cost. So then there came luxury and entertainment tax, which was put on by state government on hotels, restaurant, cinema, sports events, tickets and service charges. Now pre-GST, what happened was that the taxes were multi-layered, it was complex in structure, there was open overlapping of tax which was due to center and state taxes, and that led to cascading effect, which is also called tax on tax. Now for example, on manufacturing and production, the tax which was levied was excise tax. Then when that same product was sold to wholesaler or retailer, then value added tax was levied. And then the same product, when traveled around the state borders or transferred or transported, then central sales tax was levied. So this was tax on tax cascading effect by central and state government taxes. Then the cost of goods and services, due to which consumers were made to feel that they were less competitive globally. And because of GST, there was uniformity in interstate commerce and tax rates. The overlapping compliance reduced, collection and enforcement became easy. Records, auditing, everything became much, good. And the before GST, the taxes were more expensive and they reduced export competitiveness. But after GST, there was, less, tax evasion due to uh, compliance benefits and high rates on import duties. Reason before GST for less FDI. Then there were some taxes which were outside the GST purview, that were petrol, electricity and alcohol. After GST, it was levied at each stage of production, credits passed along the supply chain, tax credits were made available, single market was created, and frequent changes to rates happened due to GST council meetings and their recommendations. So this was today's short and crisp video. I hope you liked it. Make sure you subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.